Hi, this is Muhammad Rafiq. Welcome to my tech channel. If you watching my channel first time, please do subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more videos. And today's topic is how to upgrade Windows 7 PC to Windows 10. So let us start how to do it. So for doing this one, you just open your Google Chrome or your web browser and type Windows 10, and you can see Microsoft website link. Click that one, and now you enter to Microsoft website, and you can see create Windows 10 installation media. Below that you can see download tool. Now just click that one, and now it's started downloading, and once finished just click and open that one to run the creation media, and it's now starting. And it's now checking the system configuration before downloading. Now you just wait for a while, it will complete that process. And still checking that one. Now if you just check your system properties, it is Windows 7 Professional, and there is 4 GB RAM. If it is Windows 7, you can easily upgrade to Windows 10. There is no need to check anything. And now the license window will come, you just accept it. Now there is two options will come: upgrade this PC now, and another one, create installation media. The second option I already have on video for that one. That option for creating bootable USB flash drive, or you can create ISO file also, and later you can go to DVD also. So today we are going to do directly upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 10. So you have to choose first option, upgrade this PC now. So I am choosing that one. Just click next. It is started downloading Windows 10. As per your internet speed, it will take how much time need to finish. So be patient until it will finish. Now still downloading. Now it's completed. And now it's creating the Windows 10 media. This also will take little time. You have to wait until it is finished to 100%. Now it is started another process. Now it's preparing to install. Now it's downloading the updates. This is a very easy method to upgrade Windows 10 from Windows 7. Now the license agreement will come. Accept it. Now it's downloading the Windows updates. All need to connect from internet, so your internet should connected always. As per the internet speed, the download will fast or slow. Okay. Now another window will come, ready to install. There is two main option ticked already. Install Windows 10 Pro and keep personal files and apps. And under that you can see change what to keep. If you click that one, there you can see more options, which is you can keep your files and applications. You can choose whatever you like, what options you need. So you just click change what to keep, then you can see what all options there.
This option will come.
So click that one.
Ready to install. So install Windows 10 Pro. There is two options. Okay. You can click this one.
There is many options. See, keep personal files and apps. This option will keep your files and application whatever there. Second option, your personal files only, and there is no software or applications. So last option, nothing. There everything will be deleted. Like you can install the Windows 7 like fresh installation. So I'm keeping first option only, because that is better, because we need everything as before. So click next. Now it's again getting updates. Wait for a while. Now it's making sure you're ready to install.
Then it will check.
Now it's checking there is enough space to install. Now another window ready to install. Click next. It's installing now. Between your system will restart many times, maybe 2 or 3 times it will restart. As per your system configuration, it will take time. If you have high configuration, it will be very fast. Still going on. You have to wait until it is finished to 100%. Between maybe system will restart many times. Almost done, 72% installed. Now it is restarted and checking on updates. While installing, and it will restart, and that time it will check update also. So always make sure your internet is connected. After once again restarted, it will go to final step, and you can finalize and customize your Windows 10, and you can put your old username password to login. Hope you understand my video. Thank you all.